Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So by the title you all know why I look like this right now, like shit. But I'm going to be doing the butterfly locks. I'm going to drag out the intro. What I'll be using is the Freetress water wave hair in 22" in the shade 1B, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna be doing a few to let you guys know the gist of how to do it. And yeah, here looks like this, right? You're gonna take 2 strands out, and you're gonna prep it by just dragging it out. Just drag it out to make it fluffy. And guys, to achieve the whole look, I used 4 packs of the Freetress water wave hair. It all depends on how thick or how much your hair is. So it should look like this. You're gonna be using your crochet needle. You're gonna close it, push it through your hair, when it's in the needle you're gonna close it, and you're gonna drag it through your hair, take out the needle, and then you have your 2 sides in your hair like this. You're gonna take the hair and wrap tightly at the starting. You're gonna wrap to a good length, wrap it tight. Go to like right here, you see how tight it is, and then you're just gonna start. You're gonna use your thumb to make it messy so that it doesn't look tight. So when wrapping the hair around my plait, I wrap the hair around my thumb, and then I drag out my thumb to let it have that little bulge, and that's how it forms the messy look and looks like a butterfly lock.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only.
When you reach at the end, you're gonna form a knot like this. Then the little piece that's left, you're gonna put it around the knot. So you have the knot, and then you're gonna wrap this piece back up.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between.
And here you have your butterfly. So it look messy and cute. Yeah, but you're gonna just continue. So guys, I did majority of my head off camera, and I leave the top portion to just show you guys how I do it. Alright, so you're gonna have it locked, then you're gonna push it inside your hair. When you push it inside, you're gonna take the hair and you're gonna eat that dirty rudder. You're gonna freak out the hair so that it's puffy. I already did them, I already prepped them. You're gonna hold it and push it through the needle. So ensure that the hair is through the needle, then you close it. After you close it, you drag it through, take it out. You hold the hair in 2 and just drag it through your hair. And see, you have it through. Wait, I don't want this in my way. Yeah. So when you have it even, you're gonna take the left side of the hair with your hair that you plait, and then you're going to wrap it around. You're gonna wrap it tightly, before you start doing the butterfly look. And you want to ensure that you wrap it very neat, because this is the top part of your head that will be showing. So when you wrap it tightly now, this is enough. Then you just put your thumb, to make it messy. So you push it through your thumb, then you drag it out. Push it over your thumb, drag it out. Push it over your thumb, drag it out, and your thumb helps to create these bumps that give it the messy butterfly look. I just continue doing the same. It's very easy, guys. You can do this style at home by yourself, so it's very easy. And then you continue wrapping. When you're finished, you're gonna use your hand to form a knot. So wrap it around your thumb, take out your thumb, you have the knot, and then you're going back up with the hair. And then you just repeat the same thing over and over until you're finished.
I've been stuck on a memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus. I can't forget.
So guys, this is the finished look, and I am really liking how it is, and I'm really proud of myself. This was my first time doing this, and I really like how it came out. Like, it is so neat. So, like, talk to me. This came out really nice, guys. This is my birthday hair. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys can actually watch this video and learn from it, learn how to do it. I hope it was detailed. I tried my best, but yeah, this is it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, liking my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, babies.